Hello student, I am Nomaitem Toitoi, Assistant Professor at Ivotombi Institute of Education. As we are facing a global issue at this challenging phase, we are here to reach you out through these online classes and help you as much as possible. So today I'm going to deal with you with one of the very important topic, that is feedback or VET course on the subject or the particular subject assessment for learning, which is in the unit 3. And this is one of the very important topic because it has been asked in the exam frequently. So feedback is a very important and essential part of assessment process, and it has a significant effect on the student learning and has been described as one of the most powerful moderator in the achievement of the learner. And also it can be divided as a mirror which reflect to the individual or group of individual to monitor or to know their work or performance in order to modify it in a desirable way. Consequently, it is a sort of mechanism or device provided to an individual or group of individual to provide information regarding their work or performance. Through this performance, the individual or that group of people will be able to know their strengths and weaknesses of their work. Then after knowing that, the individual or that person will be able to modify their weaknesses and bring an effective, bringing an effective teaching learning process. So feedback is one of the very important tools in the teaching learning process. Okay, so next I will explain you regarding the purposes of feedback. There are many purposes of feedback, but today I will deal with the most important 5 topics of feedback. The first one is it derives the learner toward mastery and understanding of the topic. It means that through feedback we will be able to understand more clear about a particular topic, and it will make the learner more understanding of a particular topic. Okay, the next point is number 2, that is it enables the learner to know his or her weakness and strength. Through the purpose of feedback, the learner will be able to know what are the weaknesses point and what are the strength point. That is, what are the negative point and what are the positive point about a particular performance or work, what he or she is doing. And the next important point is it enhances the learner achievement. Yeah, according to or through the feedback, the learner will be able to achieve their particular objective and the goal through correcting their mistake and through enhancing their learning. Okay. The next point is it provides proper information about one's level performance. So the next important point is through feedback, the learner will be able to know what is the level of this performance, whether he or she is doing well or whether he or she need to improve. Okay. And the last point is through feedback, a learner, a teacher, an administrator, and educational system can work well. So in this point, it has been mentioned that not only to the learner but also to those teachers, administrators, and whole education system need this feedback. Through this only, the teaching and learning process will be very effective. Okay, next I'm going to deal with regarding the characteristic of good test. So here are 4 different characteristics, that is timely, meaningful, respectful, and actionable. First is about timely. Timely means we should give the feedback timely. Timely habadi kai hai taragin matam chana haibani ko. Kaigumba koina feedback se matam chana pibida bataragadi kidore madu karimta useless oeba. Kaigumba angang amada performance ama natraga task ama taholena khallo aduga karigumba week ama leiraga natraga tha ama leiraka magi feedback se pibireba adu tari angang du karimta kanaroiba aduna hek loibaga yari makai feedback se kadore immediately pibiyo ko. Then next regarding meaningful hai taragadi kadore angang du da koina feedback pibi matamda mangona khanghallo haiba feedback se ai strength se kaino ai weakness se kaino clearly ohenba ya meaningful ohenba aduga maona semdok jibagi opportunity to pibiyoba if adu meaningful oiba natraga adu piba ngamdaba taragadi that feedback is not appropriate feedback. Then next is regarding the respectful in the sense that kaigumba angang sida koina negative point natraga magi bad point ma haidore khaloba nang sigise lale haiba siga kaidora adu haibagi mahutta koina how it comes nang kamaina shi solve tawra ino would you please explain this haira shumaina bibiba akoi shungare kaidora kaigumba negative feedback ama bibi matamda kaidora nang si lale na direct hana hairba taragadi ishada nuwaitaba ma feel taweba madu thoktadabagidamagta kaidora koina yarigi negative feedback se piba matamda kaidora it should be given in a very respectful way. Then next is about the actionable hai taragadi karino hai taragadi if aina pigadariba feedback se shidegi through the angang sida kaidora mangonda aingonda semdopagi capability ama pinabagi ogida but just saying you nang gise phajade khote aduga tang hai banataba aingonda ai shise phajadaba taragadi ai kari step lo khataga ai gise modify toba yai haibagi mangonda kaidora capability do lehengadaba. So in a feedback, while giving feedback, we must give these 4 important points, that is timely, meaningful, respectful and actionable. So next is about the types of feedback. So it has been distinguished and classified in 3 different ways, that is based on the sources of feedback. Then the next point is based on the mode of providing feedback, and another one is based on the time and schedule of feedback. So let's see in the categorize or in the classification based on the sources of feedback. That is self-feedback. Self-feedback are those feedback which are given by self. That is auto-feedback. Sideshida kamain to we had taragadi ai isa se ai isha itom to like feedback pizza doineba. Masi kamain to guni hai taragadi one of the very famous or one of the very used method, that is introspection ki through the kaidora koina self correction or self improvement of doineba ko. Then next types is feedback provided by others. Atopa feedback pideba, it may be peers, teacher, supervisor or administrator. Okay, then the next point is mechanical feedback. These feedback are those feedback which are given through a video tape or an audio tape. Ishaze kaiba aina toriba thabak se ishai tomta video record tawzaredna natraga audio record tawzaredna aduga it can be used by others also. Ishana tawzabadan ginate ko atopana video record tawraga thammaga kaidawra aigi isha ki feedback natraga atopana feedback pibase sisida mechanical feedback koreko. Then the next point based on the mode of providing feedback. So there are 3 different ways, that is positive feedback, negative feedback and mixed feedback. So first point, positive feedback. Positive feedback hai targadi only kaidora magi good points katang hai bas hatrashida nang shi phare go ko negative points hai da hai tare ko. Then next points te kaidora negative ma ta hai ba. Then the another one is positive so negative so mixture of tawra hai ba. Ado koina quality best oina khangadabadi karamano hai targadi mixed feedback se positive khatang piba su patte negative khatang piba su patte ko. Then the third classification is which is based on the time and schedule of feedback, that is immediate feedback and delay feedback. Immediate feedback haragana on the spot of the performance ko magi performance pihanle ma on the work ama pire task ama pire adugi hek loiba kanda kaidora aina masi se nangi se shini ko haidana ma on feedback bibi basa, that is immediate feedback. And another one is delay feedback, that is those feedback which are given or which there is a very gap between the performance and the feedback. Kaigumba performance ne ngasi pire adu hatta ama leraga gumba piba performance natraga piba magi feedback to adubu khoina kaidora delay feedback haraga khangnei ko. Next topic is teacher feedback. Teacher feedback are those feedback which are given by the teacher among the learner. So there are 3 different types, that is written feedback, oral feedback and comment feedback. So let's try to know what is the written feedback. Written feedback are those feedback which are given in the written form. Mostly this type of written feedback is given after the completion of the task ko karigumba angang shina akhoida angang sida akhoina task ma pire madu du pura loiraba matungda ko oza sina phasana observe tawre adugo observe tawra matungda ma se kari da soirige kari da lalege haina kupna yengaba matungda mangonda akhoina written gi form da piriba feedback se machine kai kaure written feedback kaweba ko then next oral feedback hai taragadi kaidore it is those feedback or these are those feedback which are given orally or in the dialogue form in the classroom by the teachers to the learner ko orally chin adum haiba it is given during the process of the performance mana angang sina performance se class tawri lai matam sida ko oza shina kaidore nang shi lani ko shi tawi ko si chumi ko kaina haidana magi feedback se adum mana task se tawri lai matam sida adum orally piba se machine kaidore oral feedback ka weba then next comment feedback se kari comment feedback habase kari no hai tar kadi machine shu kaidore it has been given after the completion of the task asi loiraba matungda sigi comment feedback si p adugo masi se kaino hai taragadi it is given in the written form since the written form the ojaba taraga su kaidore it is given in a very short form or in a very limited words that means that akhoina kaigumba angang amagi performance na toga akhoina progress report card ta kaidore you are outstanding you need to improve or keep it up haina comment macha sumaina pibasa these are the comment feedback ko khoina comment haiba kanda kaidora si se yari ke short oigadaba limited words oigadaba diba kaino hai taragadi khoi yengone kaigumba khoi ke Facebook Twitter or any Instagram gi the hapalabu matam the comment say yam sang pirak taragadi we don't want to read that god kaigum pick the bit taragadi kaidora khoina paninge that's why it is called comment sida kaidora kaigumba sang na piba taragadi that will be included in the written feedback ka say comment feedback ka se kari the khenna ge hai taragadi animal se both are in the written form the loinama oigani ba adubu written feedback to the kaidore it will be given in a descriptive form ko yam shang iba yaiba nangi shini hadana adu comment feedback to the kaidore only some limited words or in a very short words sida angang sida feedback people to oigani ba next is regarding peer feedback are those feedback which are given by a student to another student it gives them an opportunity to learn from each other. Okay, so here I will discuss regarding the benefits of the peer feedback. The first point is develop capacity of judgment. So through this peer feedback, it develops capacity of judgment people ko. For example, satra mana kadora moi masen gi work sha yengna ba matungda aina si hairage haina wama hairage regarding that particular performance hairage haina lepa base kadore mo adjustment ama piri neba chumi natraga lale habasigi ko si shina kadore mo madugi judgmental skill do haitare ko mo improve to holle ko that next benefit is student anxiety become lower and make themselves more comfortable student ki anxiety se kadore hena handai masai peer feedback pina baganda kamaina no haitare koina ozagi through the ozana koi the feedback ama pire khalo madu da koi word back ama tawu matam da koi the hesitation ama leiba ki boy la ko ozana kari harakani habase adugi mahutta kai gumba peer feedback se pina batara gadi kai dawra maonda yamna comfortable feel tawu hai tare ko ai imana machine obenina hai tare ko aduna sigi peer feedback se masigi damakta su kanaiba then next point is it allows to interact with other student satra machine se ke dore interaction to halabani ne ke dore moida hena moi machine se social interaction se hela lamina social web se hengat halle hai tare ko and also bring them a very self confidence among themselves. And the last point is regarding the limitation of the peer feedback. So, any limitation ko advantages disadvantages laini habase ko adumai to the peer feedback se sigi limitation khara I share to sage that is they don't take feedback given by others seriously. Go. Habadi satrashingsina moi machine pinamanina feedback se moina granted oina lawba haitare ko aduna piraba matungda kedara moina learning dadana aduga moina kaigumba changes tauge modify tauge habagi wakhalo je leiteba mamani bani pibani habagi wakhal da haitare ko. Then next difficulty in acceptance of the feedback. Moigi mamanaba masen mamanabi machine pirakpa feedback se kedara moina acceptance tawase amna waiba moi accept to bongam deba kaigino da moi same age ko same category da leiba mi amana pirakbani na mana kayam hairudana haibagi wakhal se sigi levels da leiba sina kaidora moigi masajina piriba feedback to accept to bongam deba ko. Then third point, conflict arises. Even conflict power to eba sigi peer feedback da di kamaina no hai taradi anga ki stage moigi stage se kedora yam groupism yam nai ko groupism se kedora moi masen ki group to da kedora moi ki anti oiba ama khak na kedora moi de feedback piri ene khalo moi de yaning da sounding bagum ba hai tare ko arugo moi masen mamana bi masen moi ki group among the group ama da leiba masen pina ba kandana positive nga ta pi bagum ba adegi ni mo different group ki pina ba kandana kedora negative ka pina bagum ba shubo me am sina maram oi moi marakta sound ba maram me am support e ko. So that's all regarding the feedback, and from this most of the question are has been asked frequently from this particular topic, that is feedback, and it's very important. I hope you all enjoy. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.